Friends, the Chicago tour was super successful, really amazing. So we decided to go to Aurora Temple now. It is one of the finest temple we have over here in United States. So pleasant, and the architecture wise it is really amazing. So we call that as a Tirupati Balaji in United States. So let's go. I hope you all like this vlog. If you are a new viewer, please support the channel by subscribing.
Thank you.
Simple. Yes, we are entering the
Arrived.
Swami Thank you.
Once you enter into the premises, you will be gracious with the beautiful temple view. Friends, there is a huge parking lot available here and can get filled during auspicious days or weekends. Parking is free here. There you go, friends. You can see the side view of the temple from the parking lot. Really big and so beautiful. The sky, temple, and the landscape combination is really a feast to your eyes. So this is one of the biggest temple in USA, located at Aurora Greater Chicago, Illinois. This is mainly Venkateshwar Swami temple. Management has made sure to provide all the necessary arrangements for the convenience of devotees. Temple has canteen and it serves delicious South Indian food. I am not sure if they are serving any during this time, COVID times. Temple entrance from this step seems to be closed, friends, but there is an entrance from the right side, at the ground level. Yep, from here. And mask is mandatory. They also mention if you are sick, you are not supposed to enter into the temple. You have to make sure knees are covered, that means no shots.
Check out the surroundings. And this home. So good. Nice. Look at the picture. Two big elephants.
So friends, you can see whoever has made a good contributions while developing this temple has a brick on their name. You have to leave your footwear outside, and this is the entrance.
Make sure shots are not allowed upstairs. Please use dhoti.
This is the big canteen I was talking about, friends. Like expected, it is closed due to COVID. Except laddus and some basic snacks, nothing is available here.
So friends, this is the entrance. Temple entrance.
You have to follow the arrow directions given on the floors. First, you can see here Sri Ganesha, and Subramanya Swami here. Lakshmi Devi Mandir over here. Friends, here you can see the main temple, Sri Venkateshwara Swami. Really beautiful. Here on the right side you can see Sri Padmavati Alamelu Mangamma temple,
जी
and we have Hanumanji over here.
इनका त्रास है हनुमान जी
Look over here, friends. Lord Shiva's temple. So beautiful, so peaceful. Wow, really, really wonderful. And here, Sri Brahmaramba Parvati Devi temple.
Sai Nataraja. नवग्रह देवता
Wow, this is so amazing. And there are quite a few of them here inside the temple. Finally, Varaha Swami over here. Friends, we really had a good darshan, and like expected, laddus and some basic snacks are available. But I'm quite happy with the laddus over here. It is such a cliche visiting this temple, especially if you like Tirupati temple in India. So once you come outside of the temple, you have this beautiful place over here where you can just sit and enjoy the view. It's a beautiful fountain. It's now becoming a little cloudy, friends, and you can see the spectacular view once again. And this is Panchavati, friends, equipped with the state-of-art sound and light equipment for classical music loved devotees.
The small park. So nice, peaceful.
Friends, we had a darshan and going back to home, a small pond just before exiting the premises. Friends, I hope you all like this vlog. If you do, please support the channel by subscribing. Till then, take care.